Hello, travelers! Welcome to our channel, where we explore exciting destinations on a budget. Today, we have a special treat for you as we uncover the secrets of traveling cheap in the beautiful country of Turkey. So grab your notebook and let's get started. Turkey is a mesmerizing country, rich in history, culture, and natural beauty. And the best part? It can be an affordable destination if you know a few tricks. Here are our top tips for traveling cheap in Turkey. Tip 1. Stay in budget-friendly accommodations. Accommodation can take up a significant portion of your travel budget, but fear not. Turkey offers a wide range of budget-friendly options. Consider staying in hostels, where you can find clean, comfortable rooms and the opportunity to meet fellow travelers. They're not only affordable, but also a great way to make new friends. Tip 2. Indulge in delicious street food. When it comes to food, Turkey is a paradise for budget travelers. Embrace the local street food culture. Explore bustling food markets where you can savor mouthwatering delicacies like durum wraps, simit, sesame-coated bread rings, and delectable kebabs. Not only will you enjoy incredible flavors, but you'll also save money by avoiding pricey restaurants. Tip 3. Master the art of haggling. The colorful bazaars of Turkey are a shopaholic's dream come true, but they can be overwhelming for your wallet. Fear not, intrepid travelers, for haggling is an essential skill to acquire. Negotiating prices is not only expected, but also a fun cultural experience. Be polite, smile, and don't be afraid to bargain for that perfect souvenir or traditional Turkish carpet. Tip 4. Opt for public transportation. Transportation expenses can quickly add up, but Turkey has an excellent public transportation network that won't break the bank. Take advantage of buses, trams, and metro systems in major cities like Istanbul, Ankara, and Izmir. They are not only affordable, but also a fantastic way to immerse yourself in the local culture and observe daily life. Tip 5. Explore off-the-beaten-path destinations. While iconic destinations like Istanbul and Cappadocia are must-visit places, don't forget to explore off-the-beaten-path destinations. Turkey is brimming with hidden gems that are often cheaper and less crowded. Discover charming coastal towns, rural villages, and lesser-known historical sites. You'll not only save money, but also have a unique and authentic travel experience. And there you have it, fellow adventurers. Traveling cheap in Turkey is indeed possible with these savvy tips. From affordable accommodations to tantalizing street food and embracing local culture, Turkey offers an incredible experience without breaking the bank. So, get out there, explore, and create unforgettable memories. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more budget travel tips. Happy travels!